Hey there! If you're looking for a high-quality dash cam that doesn't cost a fortune, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a close look at the Miden X5 4K Wi-Fi dash cam, a triple-channel system that promises a lot more than just front coverage. Is it any good? Is it worth buying in 2025? Let's break it down together. Miden has been making some solid moves in the dash cam space lately, and the X5 might be their most interesting model yet. It's a 4K dash cam with 3 cameras. One for the front, one inside your car, and one on the rear. All that for under $40? Yeah, that's pretty impressive. This is a great option whether you drive a regular car, an SUV, a truck, or even an RV. Basically, if you want full coverage around your vehicle without spending hundreds of dollars, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's talk specs, because these are actually pretty solid. The front camera records in 4K Ultra HD, which is super sharp. That means clear license plates, road signs, and everything else happening on the road. The interior and rear cameras both shoot in full HD 1080p, so you get a good balance between quality and value across all 3 angles. It also supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which makes transferring videos to your phone way faster than older models. And here's the best part. It comes with a 64GB SD card already included, so you don't have to worry about buying extra storage. There's a Sony IMX662 sensor, a wide f1.5 aperture, and WDR tech to help out in low-light situations, like driving at night or in heavy rain. What really sets this apart from other budget dash cams? Well, it connects directly to your smartphone via app, letting you preview videos, download them quickly, or even share clips online with just one tap. It also has a parking mode, either using the internal battery when you're away from your car, or with a hardwire kit for 24-hour protection. There's a 3-axis G sensor built in too, which locks important footage automatically if something happens, like a hit and run or attempted break-in. And the loop recording works smoothly, overwriting old files only when needed, but keeping the locked ones safe. So, after going through all of this, is the Miden X5 worth it? Honestly? Yeah, I think it is. Especially if you're looking for a reliable, affordable dash cam that covers all sides of your car. It's not perfect. It doesn't come with the hardwire kit, and some settings take a bit of time to adjust. But overall, it gives you a ton of features for the price. If you're serious about protecting your car and having solid evidence in case anything goes wrong, this could be a smart investment. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. I post new reviews every week, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Oh, and by the way, the link to buy this dash cam is in the description below. It's currently on sale, and I always try to find the best deals for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.